It's been a while. It's been a while because my sister broke my camera and I decided not to film on my phone for some reason. But today's an exciting day because we're going to go get my camera. How?
Did you not say that I need to get something for something?
Oh, it was for the a tripod. But I haven't bought the tripod, I just bought the camera. Okay.
Getting there.
I've actually got 2 or 3 videos to go up before this one, which is I just haven't been able to import them over from the old camera because obviously I can't get on it because it's broken. It's just saying how my sister broke my camera. But we're going to get a new camera. At least I'm excited.
David Bloom.
Oh. Cheers! That's good.
Remember to shit.
Okay, so I have to go back into the city because I forgot the one thing. Well, not the one thing. The one of the few things that we actually went over, so I'm gonna change this lighting. I've got to change because I was uncomfortable, but yay! So I'm doing this little ASMR. Okay, so this is the Sony ZV-1F. It's gonna be backwards here, but this. I think that's the mic, maybe. Charger. Oh my god. She has her first ever camera. Look.
Wow!
We're up and running. Okay, I'm off to back into the city now, and I'll still film on my phone for a minute, and then I'll film on my camera when I get back. I'm gonna see the difference. But we also stopped in Chemistry House. I got this base and top coat, some back wipes, some mints, and then I also got this nail varnish because this is the one that I've got on my toes and I quite like it. So I picked it up, and this is the one that I'm waiting for my looks and night out. Okay, so I've just switched to my camera. Hopefully you can tell the difference with the quality. But I thought I would just show you what I got from Uniqlo. It's literally just like 2 white tops, but I just kind of wanted to see what this is going to be like. So I just got just a normal white t-shirt. Got this cropped one. Anyway, those are the 2 tops. I just wanted to see what this is going to be like and quality wise with this. So it hasn't got a very like big sim. Maybe just like we're back.
One last thing.
Here, what's this?
Good morning everyone and happy December 1st. I'm still getting used to the look at this. I finally sorted my camera and I've now got the microphone working. But today, I'm not actually like fully vlogging today, but because I'm going to work, but I wanted to show you guys what I got in my advent calendar. I was going to do vlogmas, but like there was just like no way, just because I work full time and I hadn't planned it enough. Yeah, but we're doing some vlogs, hopefully. Okay, so originally John and I were supposed to come to Australia in November last year, but then some things happened and whatever, and we ended up not coming out. We came out in April. One of these bags is broke. So because I thought I would be out here for December and for Christmas last year, I had my advent calendar shipped over to a friend's house, and then by the time we actually came over, and by the time I received it, I think I received it in like July, by the time she sent it over. She's down in Melbourne. And then I just kind of decided to keep it for this year, but this is the Space NK Beauty Advent Calendar. Obviously it's last year's. I can't remember what was in it. I thought we would see what was in day one together. I don't know what the Space NK calendar looks like this year, but I am not bothered. Oh, she's on. Okay. I actually forgot to get like chocolate almond calendars this year. Maybe they still have some left. I don't know. They'll probably be on sale now, which is a good thing. Oh! So they've got like a little leaflet for what's in here. Again, I can't remember what. Oh, they've got some good stuff. I mean, I'm sure this year's is even better, but. Transport yourself to Brazil in a single spritz. I think I know what this is. Yep. That's right. I've got one of the Sol de Janeiro's sprays. Pistachio and salted caramel. I really want to open it all. I just want to open it all and see what I got. Because it hasn't felt like Christmas this year, it's so weird. Like, I don't like it. I'm very like traditional. I'm very, yeah, I'm just obviously like used to it being cold and my traditions and stuff. So it just hasn't felt like Christmas. And I think all of a sudden now like December 1st is here and it's like, oh, I haven't done anything. And I completely forgot about this as well. Like, it's so hot outside, it's like 30 degrees and it's like, this is just weird.
Oh, this is fucking hot. Getting them upstairs.
Oh my god, he's got one of those stickers on there. Taking the puppies for a walk.
Doors closing.
Ready? Ready.
I didn't try with that one. Oh man. Whiskey's behind the bed looking for a John. Hi vlog, it's been a while. Can you see it? Can you see it?
Yeah, we fucking can.
Oh,
Batches itchy.
Roger. You camera shy? We've got a new, well not a new, we've bought a coffee machine. It's a Rebel.
Oh, isn't it?
Well yeah, but I mean like, the way I'd said it sounded as if like we bought a new one as if we'd had an old one.
We just got a kit. Deborah.
Oh, the Barista Express. Is that what you got? Wow, this job has changed you. You really know what you're doing. Yeah, we don't need that.
We did. Ah, that's an awful left in that
This is our new coffee machine. And a little bit.
Dwayne Coffee Coffee.
Whiskey. Whiskey's not happy that he's not getting any attention.
Speak.
Goodbye. Goodbye.
Okay.
Okay, we're flushing the machine. Feel the water, is it hot? It is actually steam, John.
How the fuck is it heat up that fast?
That's what it is.
Yeah. Oh! That was there. Hot water / steam.
I guess it takes a while for this one to... Look at it turn today. 7, 6. We actually went on a walk just to get a curry, just because we were going to have an Indian tonight. We're going to get a curry. I keep looking at that, sorry. Oh. It was shut, so we're now ordering a hashtag. This is expensive, kind of, but it is so good. Do you want any chips?
No.
Or is that all I'm getting? 5 things? Apparently the moon is red tonight, so we're gonna... I'll show you guys now. I'm just ordering this. I don't even know.
People decided to move. Fucking crazy.
I'm gonna go and have a look at it now. Oh. Just pay for this, I guess. Yeah, let's go see this moon that everyone is talking about. That's not red. Have I missed something? That's the moon that they're talking about. Oh wait, it does actually have red on. We've got our food finally. We've had a bit of an issue with our food tonight, but we'll eventually. Even though I'm only getting a £7, $14 refund. Even though it cost me over $100. I'm never going back there again after this. I don't even want to eat it anymore. It's good. I don't even got a cheese slice this time. I had a cheese slice on there. This milkshake is the best thing ever. It's the next day, but I thought I would fill you guys in on how it's going. The first one was a bit shit. We couldn't figure out the dosage thing. Oh, nice. Look at the mess of our kitchen. Of our whole apartment. By the way, this was a candle from IKEA.
Because look how much espresso that's meant to be. That's more than a double shot. Like a quadruple shot.
Oh no, wait, I think that's for 2 cups.
No, it's not. It should be a shot.
No, but wait, so that's a double shot.
Yeah.
Then that's 1 cup. So I think we've done 2 cups.
That would no. Okay.
I think. I don't know. Okay, try number.
Right, so we'll try again. Hello, whiskey!
Jump up. No, you don't jump up to your fair plate here. There he is. By the way, I've literally got you on my knife holder. Oh, Badge has come in. You jump up, don't you? Come here. I mean, you're potentially tall enough anyway to see. Whoa, they can see those. Handsome boy. Yeah, we'll definitely have to like do it less, a lot less, I think.
Yeah, I think we go to about.
I mean, we're going to be figuring it out for a while, I think. Unless we do just accidentally, like, get lucky with it. Do you need to get another
Cup?
cup for you, yeah? Like a bigger one?
What? I don't need another cup. I'll just drink this.
Do you want another cup? Oh, he's pouring into his espresso. Look at that, that looks disgusting, that's the coffee. Oh, wow. So,
There goes the creamy head.
yeah, I'll come back to you when I'm doing the milk.
The milk is like so well placed to block everything.
Yeah, this is taking way too long, yeah?
Oh, so it's hot.
Yeah, I've been there for ages, man. Hey guys, moment of truth. Nope. So I've got a little something. Too much milk, I think. And also I don't think I've frothed it enough. Because I think we're just going to need to get used to this. I mean... Oh my god, this is hot.
Yeah, it doesn't have a handle.
Where's that, okay, is this good coffee?
Is that right? See, that's better. What?
That's freaking terrible.
What part?
All of it.